morning, and I went to Dick's.
Yeah, they're probably all out.
No half.
Yeah, he said they're all out.
Now drop it. I want to see her bring it in the pool.
Yeah.
Bring it in the pool, Sadie. Bring the hose in the pool. Hey, Sadie, bring the hose in the pool.
Watch, I'll come over and water your feet.
Yeah, I know. Bring the hose in the pool. Sadie, get it. Put it in the pool. Put it in the pool.
Well, she's trying to chase the end of it at the same time.
Sadie, put it in the pool.
It's like the stick that had the thing, round thing. She kept swinging and kept swimming in circles.
Sadie, bring it in the pool. Come on. Bring it in the pool. Hey.
Like, I'm drowning inside.
No, stop. Now you're just eating the wet grass. Put the hose in the pool. Get it. Sadie, get it. Come on. Put it in the pool. Good girl. What the flowers for Mama?